Yeah, it's one of them days, man. Struggling, trying to survive. My ghetto song. My ghetto song. I gotta let you know, my ghetto song. Yeah, this is my ghetto song. Have passed in my life, I gotta thank the Lord that I'm still here fighting. I gotta find a way to survive in this crazy world. So many people dying, even little boys and girls. So I have to reminisce, how did it ever come to this? Mothers born for their sons in the war, will it ever be peace? But it seems like nobody cares. The government politicking, single mothers on welfare. Yeah, but you gotta have faith in this life that we live in. You have to pray to God to please ask forgiveness for all the wrong sins you committed, the suffering, the pain. Oh please Lord, stop the rain. The struggle that I've been through with my family got me striving, looking for better days like this, like this. Man, I've been through it all, I seen it all. Life is so hard, man. My ghetto song. My ghetto song. Gotta let you know, my ghetto song. This is my ghetto song. Gotta let you know.
I was born into this world, I wasn't given no opportunities, no choices or no options or selections of community. I'm sorry to poverty, but destined to excel and hopefully make a living off this knowledge I expel. And yes, the stories that I tell are only filled with a certain truth. But as God is my witness, allow my pain to be my proof. See, I was deep rooted, family orientated with my peaks. And as time started to pass, they were slipping away from me. And rest in peace was commonly accommodating the unbelief. Big love and memories were common syllables to me. So I started pondering, thoughts of doing it on my own, until I realized family is family, even when gone. And on that note, allow me to give some love back to my folks. Sister, low down, lady, Lexus, Casper, Loco. Rest in peace and hopefully we'll meet when I'm at my peak. Struggling inside this world where there's no justice and no
ghetto
peace.
Song. My ghetto song. I gotta let you know, my ghetto song. Yeah, this is my ghetto song. I gotta let you know, my ghetto song.
I'm tested, platinum lines, tight rhyme designs, injected the struggle within my life before my crime. I selected eternal mind flow, a crossroad from crime. Directed my retrospect in life, money on my mind. Infected by the streets, nature, bloodshed and grime. Protected by the nickel nine and the will to live and die. My perspective, keeping faith in the hustle, death is last. So collective when it comes to situations about cash. Reality hit you in the head like bricks in the speed zone. Brook police, FHPD, you know y'all team wrong. No dope, not on me. You need to let that beef go. We still struggling, we still hustling for my people. About the Bezos and the war zones, for our fans we run. Don't trust no bitches, the obstacles will blockade to your door. Embrace the struggle, then try to connect the lost pieces to the puzzle. I never fear no man besides my pops and G.O. Double.
My ghetto song. Gotta let you know, my ghetto song. Yeah, this is my ghetto song. Gotta let you know, my ghetto song. Yeah, my ghetto song. Song. Yeah, this is my ghetto song.